completely remodeled and upgraded with every attention to detail and quality. This luxurious home vacation retreat is situated in the desirable and sought-after community of Parkridge Estates. The gorgeous open floor plan with volume and tray ceilings offers a spacious chef-ready kitchen with granite countertops, state-of-the-art stainless steel appliances with an induction stove and countertop. Open the oversized pocket sliding glass doors and the living and family rooms expand further to a spacious balcony with stunning views that overlook your private screen recreation entertainment area with a freeform saltwater pool spillover hot tub, large seating areas with a gas fire pit, and custom-built pickleball court, one of a kind for a private residence in our area. What makes this house even more spectacular is the state-of-the-art 14-seat movie theater with custom lighting, sound system, and separate zone climate control system. With too many features and upgrades to list, this home is a must-see for the buyer looking for an incredible home, in a great neighborhood, at a fantastic price.